Hi, I'm Paul Serpusco from Flir, and I'm here to talk to you today about the new Flir Ax8 temperature sensor. Combining both visual and thermal cameras into a small, affordable package, the Ax8 provides continuous temperature monitoring and alarming for critical electrical and mechanical equipment. The Ax8 features our patented MSX technology, which takes the edges of the visible image and augments it onto the thermal image. The 80x60 thermal imaging detector provides you with 4,800 non-contact measurement points. Using industry-standard interfaces like Ethernet IP or Modbus TCP, you can implement the Ax8 easily into your existing distributed control system. The Ax8 features a web interface where you can configure up to 6 measurement areas, adding alarms. The rugged, lightweight IP67 package makes it ideal for deployment in all environments. Some examples for applications, areas where you're looking for 24/7 condition monitoring, like data centers, storage facilities, refrigeration houses, mass transit facilities, and many more. For more information about the Flir Ax8, contact your Flir representative or log on to flir.com/Ax8. Thank you.